Did you know that NASA's Apollo 11 moon mission was almost failed? Yes, had there not been a pen to save the mission was all failed. So on July 20th of 1969, the first men to land on the moon, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, had been on the moon's surface for 28 hours and 36 minutes. Finally, they started procedure to return home. Meanwhile, a circuit breaker switch broke due to Buzz Aldrin's spacesuit. Out of hundreds of switches, it was an engine start switch that used to activate the main engine of the lunar module. Without this switch, they cannot launch and the mission was almost failed. But suddenly, Buzz Aldrin stuck his rocket's pen's plastic pedal inside that broken switch. Using what they had left with, that is a pen, Aldrin activated the inside switch to engage the circuit breaker and trigger the engine. So this pen fixed the broken switch and brought Apollo 11 astronauts back to Earth. So recently, this pen that saved Apollo 11 came up at an auction with an estimated bid of $1 million. Can you imagine that? Well, I guess it's worth it, so let me know about your views in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share the video. Please subscribe the channel for more such amazing content from Overdose now.